Oh. 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 Guys, welcome back to another day of vlogging. Finally came in the mail. I'm talking about whatever the hell this is. Oh, I'm okay. Just wait. Let me open this thing up. Let me put it down. Let me see what's in the bags. It finally came. Unboxing is so much fun. God. What the heck? Let's see this thing. Okay. Oh. So, this is the One Wheel Plus XR. We're about to take this out. 12 to 18 miles. 12 to 18 miles an hour. Okay. Very fun. Check this one out. Yeah. I got the other. I got the pint. So if y'all want to ride with us, man, let me know, man. Go back to this one. Oh, by the way, man, shout out to, I told y'all, man, remember one of the videos before, I don't like Apple, but I got this Apple case, man. It's very, very intuitive. I like it. You know what I'm saying? How the hell it open up? What the fuck? Oh, open up on this side. See, and I got like the pink keyboard and everything like that, man. So, shout out to Apple, man. Okay. But anyway, back to this. Focus. All right. So, once I get done opening this up, man, I'm gonna be right back, man. Till then, stay tuned, man. We're about to go out and have fun. Me and the guys finna link up. It's about 10 of us, maybe 15. Might be linking up tomorrow and go test these things out. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion about it. Oh yeah, because I forgot. I got that one plus the one over there. But check this out. For the ones that don't remember, I got this thing, man. I done spent like $2 grand on it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. And I haven't rode it since. So, with that being said, since I haven't rode it since, I might take them all out tomorrow. So if y'all looking to have fun with us, man, it's gonna be the new video. We're gonna do our thing. Stay tuned. This company in San Francisco emailed me, and they said that this is not a real bike, not a real hoverboard. That they make a real hoverboard, this thing. And they sent me this to check out. Holy good God. Look at this thing. Oh. Can't wait to ride this. I would say the dudes at One Wheel, when they sent it, they said make sure you read the instructions first. But I like to see how intuitive these things are. So, oh shit. Oh. Hold on. Let me put the camera down. Let me put the camera down. I'm gonna try. Let me put this down. Camera down. Whoa. Ah. Oh. Oh. I figured it out. This feels much more dangerous than the hoverboard. Than that one I was sitting down on. Oh my God. This thing is heavy as shit too. But this right here, woo, and that's the smaller one. That's the bigger one. I'm gonna try it outside, but it's a little bit like surfing. This thing is way more robust than the little plastic ones I used to have, them little hoverboard. It's like riding a surfboard. Whew, this thing, I can tell you right now, it blows the doors off them Chinese hoverboards. This American made. I'm gonna show y'all the video tomorrow, man. 7. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, come here. All right. She's actually in heat right now. But I'll get back with you. I just want to show y'all a little bit of what I did. Like there's a skid mark in the house. I crashed. You see, I crashed into the wall right there. I'm not driving in the house no more, I'm not riding. I crashed into the, look at that, man. I crashed into the wall right there. So, let this be a lesson, kids. Don't ride things like that in the house. It's outside only. Man, all right, man, we got all the toys out here, man. You see it.
That's your
motherfucking Pint XR one wheel. What's this called?
That's the Evolve Carbon GTR.
That whole GTR.
On that shit.
Come on, man. We got them scooter boys. That's what they call us out here, man. Come on. Y'all better stop playing with us. It's the new movement, man. It don't matter how old you is. We the backpack boys.
Toys for adults.
Man, come on, man. It don't matter how old you is. Look at this. I'm sweating. My face glistening. Goddamn. So y'all, we out here, we about to go. You know I ain't gonna be able to hold this damn phone and camera and all that type of shit when we going, so I'm trying to get all my vlogging in right now. That's my boy 16B.
What's up?
In the building, getting dressed. I don't know where his brother went. The boy went down there, man, chasing after thought homeless people or some shit, but look, they got the bikes over there. They got the bike gang. You see it over there, man, so shout out to everybody that do stupid, like brave enough to do this type of shit. The fellas out here, man, sightseeing. Footage coming soon. I can't, if we fall, somebody else gonna vlog it, because I'm not putting this shit on camera. I'm telling you right now. So we out, man. Get it. He said he's seen Lay's spot.
He's got it now. He's going fast now.
Yeah, why he fell? You feel about him sure, man?
Man, bro. I fucked myself up, bro.
I just saw pink shoes in the air.
Dang.
I just turned the camera off too, man. Thank God.
Yeah,
I know, I turned it off. It was, damn, bro.
Off.
I'll skip like 10 minutes when it
Damn.
What's the battery like, bro?
Yeah. Hey, everybody put their hands up, man. Hell no, we won't go. Hell no. She put her foot up. That ain't a hand, girl. Well, the lady kicked us out, man. They kicked us on out the property. We came, we conquered. It's all good. We did what we did. Had a long day. This video gonna be epic. Stay tuned, man. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button while we cruising. We out. I think I'm just gonna leave that there for now. You know when you go skiing in your backyard and on a sled hill or wherever, and you're like, I'm really good at skiing. So you just go to the biggest, scariest Black Diamond mountain, and you get to the top and you're like, this is a terrible idea. Well, this is the bunny slope, and that's the Black Diamond. Today was an incredible, stressful day at the shop. Everybody asking like how I'm always in such a permanent good mood. I'm not. It's just I only feel like hitting record on the camera when I'm in a good mood. So in the vlog, so it seems like I'm always in a good mood, but I promise you I'm not. Today was like a stressful, stress ball, nightmare, tornado, hurricane of a day. And my only moment of happiness is racing around on that hoverboard. Crazy, crazy, super fast death machine. Your boy, the Millionaire Barber, man, back with another video that I was supposed to finish up today, man. Trust me, I'm not slipping. I'm gonna stick with that one vlog a day. Hey, and since I don't have a red eye right now, it's in surgery. It's in surgery, man. Look where I got this thing parked at. Come on, man. You see it. Let me turn that mug on, man. I got the underglow lights on and everything, man. Hit that thing like, hold up. You see it. Come on, man. Got the red, got the, come on, man. Red and white, man. Just had to turn the alarm off on that thing, man. So, hey, hold on me, man. So, let me get back in. It's humid outside, so that's how you see the blurriness of the lens. But man, I was waiting on my homeboys, man. We supposed to go riding, man. Something happened, man. Car meets, everything. Shout out to my boys, Cars Across Texas. Do a big meet, and that ran over, man. So I'm gonna just go ahead and drop this video, man. Y'all gonna see us ride another day. But tomorrow, I'm doing a tour of the penthouse, man. I'm gonna do a whole little tour, show y'all everything, the ins and outs of where we moving to. Man, stay tuned. If you really wanna be a part of the Millionaire Club, man, that's what, I need this catchy little slogan, y'all. The Millionaire Club. Millionaire boys. That shit's already taken. But anyway, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, man. Share this thing, y'all. Vlogging every single day. This your boy, man. I'm on the mission. Ride with me. If you rock with me, man, rock with me. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm gonna continue to show you the real. I'm gonna be me. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? 2020 ain't finna hold me down. I ain't finna hold you down either. You gotta be believing yourself, man. So stay positive, stay strong. Keep grinding and going for your goals, man. Go after new goals. So go after new goals. Gang, like my boy Organic say. These niggas I shout out all the time, but they don't shout me out. I don't need no shout out, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. I'm gonna get this shit on my own. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna ask nobody for no hookup, no shout outs, no nothing like that. I believe in myself, and that's how strong I'm gonna get. So to the next vlog, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow, man.